Welcome to JH. Today, I will demonstrate how to remove or unsend messages you have already sent on Instagram. To begin, I'll open this chat and type a quick response, such as, "Thank you." After hitting the send button, the message is delivered. To take it back, simply press and hold on the message until a menu appears. You will see options to copy, save, or reply, but you should select Unsend Message. Once you click that, the message is removed from the conversation. Keep in mind that while it disappears from the chat, it may still be included if the conversation is ever reported. So be aware of that. This process works for older messages too. For example, if I long press this emoji sent previously, the unsend option is still available. It is truly that simple. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to leave a comment about what you want to see next or how I can assist you further. See you in the next one.